This is my grandson, Cameron. We built him this tractor this winter, and this is one of those tractors. It's strictly stock. It's 12 horsepower. We painted it ourselves. It had holes in the hood. It's nothing fancy. It looks nice, and you can get into something like this. We can make for $300–400. So if you want something, you get Cameron started in this, and my hope is to graduate him up to my tractor one of these days. So he's going to call this the Black Deer. His first time pulling this morning, he burned his belt, and we broke a dipstick and throwed oil all over everything, but he really did better than what I thought. So it's going to be a good little tractor.